Hey everyone, I'm Starla from Starti. Welcome to Starti AI Studio 101. Today I'll show you how to quickly set up your brand profile and visual assets so your generated ads are always perfectly on brand. Let's dive in. The very first step in creating an on-brand ad video is setting up the brand itself. All you need to provide is a product website, an App Store link, or a Google Play link. From there, the system goes to work. It scans your site and product pages, automatically pulling in your key brand assets: the product description, your logo, primary colors, and other visual identity signals. These foundational details are exactly what allow every video we create later to stay perfectly consistent with your brand. Once your brand profile is created, you can continue building out your library by adding specific brand assets, like app screenshots, product photography, or lifestyle shots. In this example, I'm going to upload 4 different screenshots of the Nike app. The system will take just a moment to process and analyze these new files. And this works seamlessly for both images and videos. After the analysis is complete, you can see that the AI has actually understood and generated detailed text descriptions for each individual asset. Later on, during the video production process, this deep understanding helps the video agent quickly and accurately pull the exact reference materials it needs. But it also makes finding assets incredibly easy for you. For instance, if I type product grid into the search bar, the exact image matching that description pops right to the top of the results. If I change my search to app cover, the system instantly pulls up that specific screenshot instead. And it is that simple. With your brand elements and visual assets fully locked in, you are completely ready to start using the video agent to produce highly engaging, brand-consistent ad videos.